Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be looking at summary passages based on the topic sentence pattern. And based on the summary you've seen earlier in this video, the questions attached to it we would like to answer together. Now, question 1, as attached to this summary passage, says, in one sentence, summarize the central idea of the passage. Now, remember, the question says in one sentence. Don't give more than one. Now, a sample answer could be the reasons why some people are poor while some are rich. Question 2. In 5 sentences, one for each, summarize the reasons why most men remain poor. Now, the answers to these are obvious from the summary passage, but the following can serve as sample answers. Number 1, the homes they came from. Now, the parents play a large role in whether they might be wealthy or whether they're going to be poor. So if the parents are poor, it's likely that they may also be poor. Number 2, people at times make bad choices. So the choice they make may influence whether they're going to be poor or not. Number 3, their choice of associates and friends. So the people they choose to work with may actually be a factor in whether they remain poor for the rest of their life. Number 4, the ability to take risks. Now, the ability for them to take risks or be daring may actually prove whether they are going to remain poor or change their fortune. And finally, number 5, the willpower to keep going even in the face of challenges. Now, this is very integral to actually proving whether they may remain poor or change their story or turn their fortunes around. In our next video, we will be looking at another form of summary based on another type of pattern. Thank you.